Welcome.
Ta-da!
Beep, beep.
Okay.
Silver.
Gold.
Which one do you want, Addie?
Red?
You want blue?
She only can say blue.
Try to say red. You need help?
Please.
You're welcome.
On the paper.
Let's see what you made here, buddy. That's orange.
You already used orange, sweetheart.
Whoa! That looks really cool.
I love it.
That looks like a red butterfly with a shadow of a gold one.
Hey, Mama.
That looks cool, Fiona. I like that one.
Oh, hold on. No, Addie. How about green, Addie? You want green?
Addie, I think it's time to flip it over. Okay?